I am Ashija, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Sarika School of Engineering. In this video, we are going to see about table class mapping. So it is a simple one-to-one mapping of a table to a class. Here, the column of the table is mapped to the attribute of the class. Here in this example, we have taken car as the class, and the class car has the attributes such as cost, color, make, model. So the single table is mapped to a single class in table class mapping. That is called as one-to-one mapping. Next we can move on to table multiple classes mapping. Here the single table is mapped to multiple non-inheriting classes. Two or more distinct classes have properties that are mapped to the columns in a single table. Here the single table have name, address, customer ID and employee ID. Here this single table column is mapped to number of classes. Here employee is a class and the customer is the another class. These two classes have the same properties called as name, address, customer ID, and here the employee ID. So single table is mapped to the distinct classes that have the same properties. Then we can move on to the third one, table inherited classes mapping. Here a single table mapped to many classes that have common superclass. The columns are shared among the related classes. In the example, name, address, SSN, wage, salary. Here there are number of classes, employee and employee, wholly employee and salaried employee. Here employee is the superclass and wholly employee and the salaried employee is the subclass of this employee. So a single table is mapped to many classes called employee, wholly employee, salaried employee that have a superclass. Here superclass is called as the employee. Thank you.